You gonna give her a pet? Miles, you gonna give Casey a pet? She's right over there. Yeah. Be nice to her. Be nice to her. Oh. Don't hit her with the ball.
Ball.
Yeah, that's a ball.
Ow.
Don't hit her with the ball. Be nice to the puppy. You gonna pet Casey? Look. Give her a little pet. Okay, you don't care. You want the ball. Miles, is that the ball? Well? Yeah, throw the ball at the dog over and over again. Stop hitting the dog with the ball. No. Be nice to her. What are you doing, buddy? You coming to give me a hug? You gonna give me a hug? Oh, thank you.